It's officially rainy season, at least in California. Good afternoon,
It's
everyone.
officially not November.
Happy. Are you participating in that, boy?
Hell no.
Happy Monday, by the way. So, I just wanted to do one taker because it's officially fall. Even if California gets like an inch of rain, we all lose our minds. We all lose our minds. And Matthew, do you want to add something? Huh? And it is also No Shave November. So, men, if you participate in that, I think it supports a charity necessarily. Also, No Nut November, like he said, technically supports this charity, two charities. I think one that has to do with cancer, and the other one has to do with like men's health or something like that. They both have to do with men's health. So if you support that and want to do that, look into it. But it is officially somewhat rainy season. It's been raining on and off. Granted, in my area it doesn't get that kind of crazy. In some others, there's like flooding and all of that. But I find it interesting. God willing, I find it interesting. Honey, I'm showing you your underwear. I don't want to see your underwear, babe. Honey, I don't want to see it. Did you have a good birthday, Mama? Yeah? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So basically, overall, it's finally feeling like fall, and I finally have a good sweater on that I can actually wear throughout this cold, quote unquote, cold season. It's not a cold season, it's just it gets below 60, and that's our cold weather. Up until March ish, give or take. And it's like mid 60s to late, on a rare occasion, late 70s, which to us. But where my sister lives, in the nighttime, it gets up to 50 degrees. So depending on what part of Cali you're at. And if you're like I know where my best friend is, that gets up to the 50s every single like night. But she lives she lives by the ocean, so it always gets cold even when it's hot. There's always like a full breeze. So it's officially rainy season. I welcome the rain or the wet, cold. Unlike Bella Swan, I actually enjoy it. By the way, talking about Bella Swan, it's the 20th anniversary of Twilight this year. Allegedly, we're gonna get a book. Allegedly. We haven't gotten one yet. So, yeah. Anything else you want to add, baby? No? You're sleeping? Am I interrupting your slumber? Huh? Okay. I love you. I love you more. Oh, it's perfect for soup season. It's perfect for soup season. Oh, man. Alrighty. Anything else you want to add, baby? Okay, y'all. It's a quick one taker. I'm waiting for Minnie to get out of school, and then we gotta go do some errands. And then it's babysitting for me. So, yeah. Alrighty. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, and always, and everything. Bye, guys.